Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a credit repair company, hear this. The right lender could help you get mortgage ready faster and for free. I get asked this question a lot, which is should I hire a credit repair company or talk to a lender first? Here's the truth. A knowledgeable loan officer can do more than just pull your credit. They can look at your full financial picture. They will tell you exactly what you need to do to increase your score. And guess what? They will create a step by step plan to get you to approval. And the best part? Many times, this guidance is at no cost to you. They understand the lending requirement inside and out, which means they can focus your efforts on what really moves the needle for mortgage approval. Now, for the credit repair companies, no shade, but they can help in some situations. But I have seen them cause delays or even lower credit scores because they don't always know how lenders calculate credit worthiness. Sometimes they dispute accounts that you actually need to keep open, or they make changes that unintentionally hurt your mortgage application. So, my advice before you spend money on credit repair, have a conversation with a trusted lender. You might be surprised at how close you already are at being mortgage ready. But if you need an introduction to one of my preferred lenders or people that I know that will give honest, advice and fight for your approval, reach out to me today. Let's get you on the right path to homeownership. So that's all I got for you today, but I'll see y'all for day 77. Smile and be a blessing. Your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shanda McRae.